itself is not a disease, it is just a symptom. When a patient complains of reeling sensation or something is spinning round, either the world around him is spinning or his head is spinning without an external stimulus, we call it as vertigo. So first we have to ascertain whether the patient actually has vertigo, because in Bengali colloquial term a lot of things are described as vertigo, like lightheadedness, dizziness, faintness, loss of balance, or the propensity to falls. That is, all of these are called vertigo. We have to ascertain whether actually there is a spinning sensation or a sensation of going round and round without an external stimulus. Vertigo may be due to different causes. Most of them are in the ear, but there are other causes also, which are the central causes or in the brain. The principal cause of vertigo in the ear is BPPV, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. Benign paroxysmal positional vertigo occurs in paroxysms, that is in different episodes, and it occurs due to change of position of the head or the ear with respect to gravity. The vertigo is generally for a few seconds, that is less than 1 minute. There are other causes like vestibular migraine, Meniere's disease, vestibular neuronitis or labyrinthitis, or acute decompensated vestibular failure. These are cause vertigo which are more in duration than BPPV, but BPPV remains the commonest cause of vertigo. The treatment of vertigo is always directed towards the disease which is causing the vertigo. For BPPV, we have a maneuver called Dix-Hallpike maneuver which diagnoses BPPV, and Epley's maneuver, which is an extension of Dix-Hallpike maneuver, which cures BPPV. There is no medical cure or medicine for BPPV. Medicines are given to control acute attacks of vertigo. Most of them are vestibular sedatives like prochlorperazine, promethazine, commonly known as Temetil or Phenergan. The rest of the drugs are betahistine, which is given for Meniere's disease mainly, and cinnarizine is another vestibular sedative which is sometimes given for vertigo. But vestibular sedatives, we should remember, it should not be given for more than 3 to 5 days. We can at best try it for 7 days. Vestibular rehabilitation exercises are given for vertigo of old age or vertigo which is not responding to treatment or chronic vertigo.